This is how we check, guys. You see the bubble? No bubble
No.
on the side. See? I told you. The same. Let me see. Oh la la. Small nail. Where I got this one? That's the big problem right there, guys. This is the problem. Right there. And now I show you how to fix it easily. Alright. Hold on, let me see. This is what we're gonna use with the liquid. Oh la la. Put lubricant, guys. 1, 2, 3. Right there. Easy. Really easy. Done. Then we're gonna cut. Easy. Let me get my daughter. Pigs, guys. Cadillac. Let me get Bella first. Go grab some taro. Bella got some drinks. That's the problem, Bella. That's the problem on the tire. This one.
Yeah, that is.
What? Let's go. That's Bella's drink. Did you go bathroom? Okay, it's done. It's done. Tire.